Good morning. It's the 11th of October 2010 and this is your daily outlook. The Bank of Japan cuts rates while the RBA decides to stay on hold. There was plenty of focus surrounding the disappointing September release of non-farm payrolls, which was released at a minus 95,000 job loss, which is so much worse than the forecast rise of 1,000 jobs. Risk aversion played its part, causing a rally in the dollar before paring much of its gains later on in the session. Unemployment remained at a steady 9.6% from previously. The Australian dollar was pressured initially following the release of payrolls on Friday as risk aversion saw an outflow from the Aussie. On the domestic front, RBA Deputy Governor Battaglino spoke on the general economic outlook and indicated that the currency was playing an important role in helping the economy overall and that inflation was likely to rise to the top of RBA's 2 to 3% target zone. Overall, the Aussie traded with a low of 0.9711 and a high of 0.9872 before closing the day at 0.9861. The euro found selling pressure for the second successive day within the range of the magical 140 mark. Trading on the euro was unstable for much of the North American session, with the single currency failing to take a direction shortly after the lacklustre payroll figures. On the data front, German trade balance contracted to 11.7 billion, slightly down on the forecast of 12.3 billion. The euro traded with a low of 138.35 and a high of 139.83 before ending the session at 139.22 on Friday's close. The euro has gained further support in early Asian trade as the IMF has failed to resolve international currency dispute over the weekend, with the market interpreting such development as further reason to sell the dollar versus a number of majors. Currencies to watch out for: euro dollar and Aussie dollar. The euro dollar pivot point is at 139, with a preference to enter into long positions at 139.10. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.9790, with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9790. Today's calendar of market movers: there's no news as it's a market holiday in the US, UK and Canada. Now let's take a look at equity markets. US equities closed positive yesterday, with the SP 500 up 0.61% and the Dow closed up 0.53%. European bourses were mixed, with the FTSE down 0.08, the DAX was up 0.25 and the CAC closed down 0.19%. At the time of writing, China's Shanghai index was up 2.4% and the Hang Seng was up to 1.2%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.